the bigger the better.
Do you want a picture of you?
I'm filming. I think I'm cool. Yeah, thank you. I don't think I sit on the right position. I'm supposed to sit on the top.
Yeah. Put the big missile in.
Reloaded. I hope the button still work. We found the wrong ammunition.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that is not supposed to be there.
No.
Oh, that is even better. Can you lift up?
It doesn't move.
Ah, it's grounded. It's a caution.
Oh yeah, all the ammunition
Yeah,
shoots in.
man.
Oh, these are big bullets.
Just imagine all the shells falling on the floor. Like a rock and roll star.
It's shaking.
I was all the way come down here for the shadow. I read it from the news. They just drop it off. Like, nah, not today. That is really pissed off.
So they only let us on this side.
Yeah. After you.
Send you.
After you. You can go ahead. You can go ahead.
Step up.
Yep. Here we are again.
Oh, cool.
Oh, a little bit changed today.
Yeah.
It wasn't here last time though.
Oh, nice.
Is that the thing for neck hand? And you feel still kicking?
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Almighty, that's huge.
Since the 1950s, pilots have consisted of a multiple landing system, a mid-fold, and a illuminated optical device mounted on the side of the ship that tells the weather as plane is. As the plane approaches, the letters in the on the surface is confirming we can see the new position. The pilot approaches the is called the cat shot. During alert situations, an airplane must be ready to launch at a moment's notice. The aircraft is crewed, started, hitched to a catapult, and sent skyward in as few as 7 minutes. More than a dozen specialized groups of naval teams performing coordinated tasks ready both plane and pilot for a mission. In preparation for launch, the aircraft handlers guide the aircraft onto the catapult shuttle, attaching it to a harness threaded with thick steel ropes connected to the airplane by a hook under each wing. The pilot brings the engines to full power, checks his controls and instruments, signals his readiness with a salute, and the catapult is fired. Getting a 12-ton jet up to speed for takeoff requires a huge blast of energy. That energy is delivered by steam-driven catapults right under the flight deck surface. Steam pressure from the ship's engine is released into the catapult cylinders, forcing the pistons down the track, pulling the aircraft to takeoff speed. It's 0 to 150 miles per hour in only 2 seconds. Taking off from a turbid is exciting. Returning to a flight deck is exacting. This is called the track, often described by aviators as a controlled crash. If landing on a tiny airstrip was not complicated enough, the pilot is also challenged by the rise and fall and twisting of the deck as the ship churns through the waves at nearly 40 miles an hour. So, Navy pilots make sure they are downside. Generally, they are on wheels at once, rather than jumping up to switch engines first. Pilots may sit solo since the 1950s, pilots have been
Jesus Christ. Uh-oh.
use such a nudnik